Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we bring you yogurt and dill marinated chicken. In a large bowl, add 8 chicken thighs or 2 to 3 chicken breasts. Add 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. One tablespoon of garlic salt with dried parsley. Half tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 tablespoon of dried dill. Combine everything well. Refrigerate for 4 hours. Add oil to a hot pan. Now add your chicken to the pan. Now it's time to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one.